Rat race. Since when? Since when did our minds become so warped by it, so focused, so melded and bended to the idea that this is any way to live, any way to treat our fellow human beings? We shape our lives to it. Everything we do is for it. We give our blood to it. And if you don't, you're a miserable excuse for an existence. You're nothing. No, you're less than nothing. You are like a flea on its back. Something so insignificant, so small that when people lay their eyes on your pitiful, naked body, they only see a repulsive leech that merely hinders it. That thing they worship, that they live by, taking its rhetoric and empty promises as gospel, blindly bowing down as they let their blood to it, as it slowly drains their lives. All while it dangles a certain lucky few in front of them, a few that get to drink in ecstasy from the blood of their own comrades. Look, if you say this could be you, and you believe it. You believe that this is what is good for you. This is what you want. This is what is best. You keep running in a hamster wheel, chasing after the dream of that couple few while those around you begin to drop from exhaustion. They weren't strong enough. They didn't know how to survive. It's their fault they couldn't make it. Blaming the people around you, humans that do nothing but struggle to survive instead of the very thing that put you there. And so you push the others, you quicken their fall, you take part in their slow deaths because you know that if they fall, it will bleed more from them than from you, and you can keep running for just a moment longer. It tells you that you deserve this, you earned this, that this is what needs to be done. But deep down, you know the truth, that it isn't fair, that it is cruel and unforgiving, and that it sucks the ones it doesn't like dry and throws their shriveled bodies to the side. Then it turns to you and it tells you they weren't smart enough, didn't take part enough. If they were really trying, they would be at the top by now, using their bodies as an example to panic, to petrify, to terrify, to make sure that you keep running and that it keeps taking your blood. But why does it have to be like this? We're all humans, aren't we? We all feel happiness, excitement, wonder, love, disappointment, misery, sorrow, suffering. We all feel pain, and we all have a right not to. Why do some lives have more than others? At their core, more worth than others. It's a scale perpetually tilted in their favor, and a disgusting cycle we continue to cater. And what of those lucky few, those that get to drink from the blood it hoards? They stand obliviously next to the switch that can stop this. If they only woke from their stupor, only realized the pain that it is causing, that they are causing, they could flip that switch. They could end it. But they won't, because the temptation of that blood is overpowering, and because that's not what would be best for them. And so more keep falling, and you keep running with a suffocating dread, knowing that soon it'll be your turn.